right, I'm listening then. Sure. They say in the sketch alongside we have parallel lines.
Yes.
Follow the parallel lines.
Yes.
Yeah. They give you
So
proportionality. This side and this side, they're in proportion. Okay, you can go to, yeah.
Q8. Q5.
Eh?
QA.
QA
Q5. 5R.
5R, this one. Yeah.
And then PA. Q2. 2R.
2R. So yeah, they say in the sketch, because PA, the ratio of PA is to AQ is to 5. Okay, sure. What else can you tell me?
And then
QB, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's start with the given things. Let's start with what is given here on the statement.
BC.
BC, yeah. This one, yeah.
Q4.
4, yeah.
Then CR. Q9.
CR, yeah.
Q9.
Is it just 4?
Q9X.
Or it's 4x
4X.
4x and 9x. Okay, sure. Now you're done with the given things, then, class. So you always start with the known and then you go to the unknown. Let's go to the unknown then. What is it that you can tell me which is not there, but you know it to be true?
Sorry.
But 5R again.
So let's go to triangle. If we take the following triangle, it's triangle QPC. Triangle QPC. Ne? There are parallel lines in triangle QPC. Ne? There is this line which is parallel to this one. Okay, sure. What does that give us then?
QA.
QA, yeah, QA
over AP
all over AP
is equals to
equaling to
QB over BC
all over BC. And then what is the reason?
Prop theorem.
It's line
A
parallel one side of a triangle. I like this one as I don't know why. It's because I don't like the parallel lines. The quoting. The good one is the one where you quote the parallel lines because you can follow them. Like that is the good one. Mara, I like short things, guys. Like
This one is long. This one is long. Waste of ink.
Okay. So we can tell them which we can tell them with AQ. What is AQ? AQ is 5. No?
Yes.
5
yes
all over
2R.
2R
which is going to be QB
over BC
all over BC. R and R, they are gone. Now we can update our diagram now. Let's update our diagram.
QB to 5.
We have what? From here to here, we say it's 5?
Q5.
5 what? Can't be 5.
5R.
Can't be 5R. We used R already.
5P, I mean.
5P. This one is?
This one is 2P.
2P. Okay, sure. Now, we are more or less done. Eh? We are more or less done. You just have to look for the ratios that you are looking for. So you went from the known to the unknown, and then your diagram is more or less having everything that you might need. We'll see if there are other things that are arising as we try to approach the question. So we're looking for QB, Mutlat. QB, I'm going to write it. It's QB all over CR. If you check here, what is QB over CR, according to you?
QB, K5R.
It's Q to B.
Okay. QB K5 P, I mean.
It's
And
5.
then
Okay. CR?
CR K unknown.
CR. Look at CR.
K9X, and then Mr. Nugget tell me like, oh, you can only BC, that's one.
It's 9x.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have a situation whereby you are dealing with P and X. Ne?
Mm.
Okay. How do we reconcile those two then?
Kitlori BC
BC, sure. Let me write it with the black.
is
marker.
called BC.
Yeah, if we use line BC, we can tell them with BC, it has 2P, ne?
Mm.
Which is going to be 4x.
Yes.
Okay.
Divide by 4.
You want me to divide by 4.
It's also right.
Divide by 4. It says, what is x?
1/2.
K2 over 4P.
Okay. 2 all over 4, which is 1 all over 2P. Ne?
1/2.
Yes.
Okay, so instead of x here, I can come and put what?
1/2P.
Over 4.
So I have 5P all over 9 multiplied by 1 all over 2.
Inches.
9 over 2P. Ne?
Yeah. Which
P
is
and P.
5/4.